So again, all of you coming back. What is our topic? Electromagnetic waves. Our theory part is done. Now we are going to some problems and also a quick revision. Electromagnetic waves. What is the first point? All electromagnetic waves. All electromagnetic waves travels with the speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum. Remember, C is equal to what? 1 by root mu 0 epsilon 0. V is equal to what? 1 by root mu r epsilon r. V equal to C by root mu r epsilon r. V equal to 1 by root mu epsilon. Mu is equal to mu 0 mu r. Epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r. Mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into Tesla meter per ampere. Epsilon r is equal to 8.8, epsilon 0 is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Now, epsilon r equal to 1, mu r equal to 1 for air or vacuum. Epsilon r greater than 1 for all other media. You remember, mu r equal to what? 0 for superconductor. Okay. Then, Ampere's circuital law. Ampere's circuital law. Inter over L, B vector dot dl vector is equal to what? Mu 0 I. Total current is what? Total current is equal to conduction current plus displacement current. I is what? Total current. I sub C is what? Conduction current. I sub D is what? Displacement current. Conduction current is equal to displacement current. Remember, conduction current is equal to displacement current. Conduction current is equal to displacement current. What is the equation for displacement current? I suffix D is equal to epsilon 0 d phi by dt. d phi by dt is rate of change of electric flux. Rate of change of electric flux. What is the unit of electric flux? Unit Newton meter square per coulomb or voltmeter. Meter square per coulomb or voltmeter is the unit of electric flux. So, inter over L, B vector dot dl vector is equal to mu 0 into IC plus ID. That is inter over L, B vector dot dl vector is equal to mu 0 IC plus mu 0 epsilon 0 d phi by dt. These two equations are known as what? Ampere Maxwell's law. Ampere Maxwell law. So, who modified Ampere's law? Maxwell. Maxwell modified Ampere's law by introducing that term displacement current. And Maxwell used the charging of a capacitor, and Maxwell proved the existence of displacement current. So total current is conduction current plus displacement current. All of you, good evening. Welcome back to electromagnetic waves chapter. Here I am giving a short description of the chapter. Then we will be doing problems. Today I will finish this chapter. Any doubt? Any doubt? All of you, good evening. Any doubt? Note ചെയ്താ? All electromagnetic waves travels with the speed of light in vacuum. What is speed of light? 3 into 10 raised to 8. Yeah, I forgot to write that. Speed of light C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Note ചെയ്തല്ലാവരും? Clear? All of you clear? Akash, clear? Note ചെയ്യടാ. Note ചെയ്താ? Note ചെയ്താ? Yeah, good evening. Abhijit, Abhiraj, Anjana, Vandana, Anaga, Kripa, Navneet, Akash, Agila, Shifana, Bhavya, Alia, Anjal, Babinav, Akash, Ismaya, Devika. Note ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല? വേഗം എഴുതൂ ദേവിക. അമ്മേ. നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? All of you done? Noted? Finished? Finished, right? Next. Maxwell's equations. Next is what? Maxwell's equations. Maxwell's equations. First Maxwell equation is what? Integral over S E vector dot ds vector is equal to what? 1 by epsilon 0 times q, which is what? Gauss's law in magnetism. Sorry, Gauss's law in electrostatics. And what is second Maxwell equation? Integral over S B vector dot ds vector is equal to what? 0, which is what? Gauss's law in magnetism. Next, third Maxwell equation. Integral over L E vector dot dl vector is equal to minus d phi b by dt. That is third Maxwell equation. What is that? What is this? Faraday's law. Faraday's law minus sign what law? Lenz's law. Now remember, what is this phi suffix b? It is magnetic flux. What is the unit of magnetic flux? Unit Weber or Tesla meter square. Weber or Tesla meter square or volt second. And next, fourth Maxwell equation. What is fourth Maxwell equation? Integral over L B vector dot dl vector is equal to mu 0 Iz plus mu 0 epsilon 0 d phi by dt. Which is what law? Ampere Maxwell law. Ampere Maxwell law. Now remember, light exerts momentum T is equal to what? U by C, where U is the total energy transferred to a surface in time t. So U is the total energy transferred to a surface in time t. Momentum is small since speed of light comes in denominator. Speed of light comes in denominator. Then radiation pressure value. Radiation pressure 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 Newton per meter square. It's equation for radiation pressure. Then electric field equation Ex is equal to what? E0 sine ky minus omega t Newton per coulomb. Corresponding Bz is equal to what? Why Bz? Because electric field is along x. Variable after k indicates direction of propagation. Direction of propagation is y. So magnetic field along has to be z direction. Bz is equal to B0 sine ky minus omega t into t. What is into t? Tesla. Here Newton per coulomb, or another unit is what? Volt per meter. Now remember, C is equal to what? E0 by B0. That same C is equal to what? 1 by root mu 0 epsilon 0. And we have seen in the previous page. Now what is K? Propagation vector. Propagation vector. K is equal to what? 2 pi by lambda. Omega is equal to what? 2 pi nu. Now how to find out velocity of the wave? Velocity of the wave, V is equal to omega by K. Velocity of the wave, V is equal to what? Omega by K. Any doubt? Any doubt? Please note it down. Now, these are different scientists. But if an electromagnetic wave propagates, according to Maxwell, all the electromagnetic wave propagation should satisfy these 4 equations. When an electromagnetic wave propagates, a electromagnetic wave these 4 equations satisfy the propagate Maxwell. So that is the reason why they are called Maxwell's equation. Equation ഒക്കെ individually കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് separate ആൾക്കാരാ. പക്ഷെ when an electromagnetic wave propagates, the electromagnetic wave should satisfy all of the four equations. So these equations are called Maxwell's equation. Done? Please write fast. Done, right? Done, right? Yeah. Next, the same EX can be written as EX is equal to E0 sine, instead of kx I can write what, 2 pi by lambda x, plus instead of omega I can write 2 pi nu t into Newton per Coulomb. So EX is equal to what, E0 sine 2 pi taken outside, 2 pi into x by lambda plus nu t Newton per Coulomb. So EX is equal to, not here, it should be y, because electric field is x direction, so direction of propagation cannot be the same. So direction of propagation has to be what? Any other direction than x. So Ex is equal to E0 sine 2 pi y by lambda plus, instead of nu I can write 1 by t into t Newton per Coulomb. Remember, nu equal to what? 1 by t. Here small letter t is what? Instant of time. And capital letter T is what? Total time period. So you cannot cancel them. Both are different quantities. Now, energy of electric field is equal to half epsilon 0 E square. Energy of magnetic field B square by 2 mu 0. Energy of electric field half epsilon 0 E square. Energy of magnetic field is what? B square by 2 mu 0. Please remember this equation. Infrared main points are what? Physiotherapy. Then they are called what? Heat waves. Then what? Then what? Maintain earth temperature used in TV remote and hi-fi system. Hi-fi systems. Then microwave, short wavelength used in radar that we saw yesterday, used in radar, microwave oven, okay. Then your microwave, then is what? Gamma rays, nuclear reaction, produced in nuclear reaction, treatment of cancer, then X-ray, medical diagnosis, treatment of cancer. Next, UV rays produces melanin. When we are exposed to UV rays, there will be more melanin, tanning of skin, LASIK treatment, water purifiers. Then visible light, 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer wavelength. Only EM wave detectable by human eye. Next, radio, communication, mainly communication and also mobile. Which frequency? Ultra high frequency, UHF band. UHF stand for ultra high frequency. Any doubt? EM waves are produced either by accelerating or by oscillating charges. Charges at rest, charges at moving at constant speed cannot produce electromagnetic waves. Now, charges at rest produces electrostatic field. Charges moving at a constant speed constant magnetic field uses what? constant magnetic field. See, these are the important points. Charges moving constant speed produces what? Constant magnetic field. What is our requirement for the production of electromagnetic wave? Either it should be accelerating charges or what? Oscillating charges. Charges at rest, charges moving at the constant speed cannot produce electromagnetic waves. Any doubt regarding this? Very important. These are very important application level questions. Any doubt? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Then propagation of electromagnetic wave is given by what? Propagation direction of electromagnetic wave. Propagation direction of electromagnetic wave is given by E vector cross B vector. Propagation of electromagnetic wave is given by E vector cross B vector. Any doubt here? Makkale, please note it. It's very important. Please note it. It's very important. Yeah, satellites also. Note here, da. Infrared military purposes, sir. Military purpose. Night vision cameras. Night vision cameras. Done? See now. Done? All of you done? Done, right? See the now. Note the now. Next proof prove that average energy density of electric field is equal to electric field in EM wave propagation is equal to average energy density of magnetic field. Average energy density of magnetic field. Average energy density of electric field is equal to average energy density of magnetic field. We have to prove that. See, UE is equal to what? Average energy density of electric field is what? Half epsilon 0 E square. But we know that E0 by B0 is equal to what? C. So E0 equal to what? CB0. What is E0? Amplitude of electric field. What is B0? Amplitude of magnetic field. So UE is equal to half into epsilon 0 into, instead of E square, I can write CB0 the whole square. So U suffix E is equal to half into epsilon 0 into C square B0 square. Now, what is C? We know the relation C is equal to 1 by root mu 0 epsilon 0. So, what is C square? 1 by mu 0 epsilon 0. So, whenever I see C square, instead of C square, I can write mu 0 epsilon 0. So, average energy density is equal to half into epsilon 0. Instead of C square, I am again writing mu 0 epsilon 0 into what? B square or B0 square. See, B square, B0 square, both are same only. So, epsilon 0 gets cancelled. So, UE is equal to what? B square by 2 mu 0, which is what? U suffix B. Because we already know that energy density of magnetic field is what? B square by 2 mu 0. So, through this derivation, we have proved that energy density of electric field is equal to energy density of magnetic field. Both are equal. Any doubt? I am avoiding that 0. That it may create confusion for you. E by B is equal to C. So, E is equal to CB. So, any doubt? മക്കളെ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? എനി ഡൗട്ട്? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും മനസ്സിലാവാത്തതുണ്ടോ? നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്തേ? വി ഹാഡ് ടേക്കൻ എന്താ ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡിന് എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റി എടുത്തു. എന്നിട്ട് ആ ഇക്വേഷനിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഡിറൈവ് ചെയ്തു? മാഗ്നെറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡിന് എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റി ഡിറൈവ് ചെയ്തു. മനസ്സിലായോ? എന്നിട്ട് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി രണ്ടും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. So, starting from energy density of electric field, we have derived what? Energy density of magnetic field, and thus we have proved that in an electromagnetic wave propagation, electric field and the magnetic field both have the same energy density. So, you can expect a question. What is the ratio of average energy density of electric field to average energy density of magnetic field? Please type your answers. മക്കളെ നിങ്ങൾ ആൻസർ ആയി ഒന്ന് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ എത്ര പേർക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നു. ഹൗ മെനി ഓഫ് യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ആൻസർ? Yeah, 1:1. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. 1:1. Please note it down. ആ പ്രൂഫ് നോട്ട് ചെയ്യാം കേട്ടോ. എല്ലാവരും പ്രൂഫ് നോട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. Then one more point. During electromagnetic wave propagation, electric field and magnetic field are in phase. Electric field and magnetic field are in phase. Now remember, in the AC chapter we had seen when AC current passed through a resistor, electric field and EMF and current are in phase. Please remember that line also. In capacitor, who is leading? Capacitor, current is leading, EMF is lagging. In inductor, EMF is leading, current is lagging by 90 degree. But in EMA propagation, electric field and magnetic field are in phase, similar to resistor, where electric field and magnetic field are in phase. Done? Noted? കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? Done. All of it done? Done. Next is a problem. If the wavelength of electromagnetic wave radiation is doubled, if the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation is doubled, wavelength of electromagnetic radiation is doubled. Wavelength double edu. What will happen to energy of photons? What will happen to energy of photons? To energy of photons. So for some students, it will not be familiar what is photons. See, light consists of quanta or packet of energy called photons. ഈ ലൈറ്റ് ഒരുപാട് എനർജി പാക്കറ്റ്സുകൾ കൂടി ചേർന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ഈ എനർജി പാക്കറ്റ്സിന്റെ പേരാണ് എന്ത്? ഫോട്ടോൺസ്. സോ റിമെമ്പർ ദർ ഇസ് എൻ ഇക്വേഷൻ E equal to H nu. E equal to H nu. What is nu? Frequency. Nu directly proportional to what? 1 by lambda. Nu is equal to what? C by lambda. So E equal to, instead of nu, I can write Hc by lambda. E equal to Hc by lambda. So obviously some of you might be wondering what is H. H is Planck's constant. H is what? Planck's constant. Value of H is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. So what is E? That means what? H is Planck's constant. C is what? C is speed of light. That is C equal to what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So what is H into C? H into C equal to constant, because H and C both are constant. So H into C equal to constant. So E is directly proportional to 1 by lambda. So from this data, we can understand that when lambda increases, energy decreases. So when wavelength doubles, energy becomes half. Energy becomes half. Energy becomes what? Half. Now one more point. So we are understanding that wavelength and energy are inversely proportional Wavelength and energy are inversely proportional, but frequency and energy are directly proportional. But frequency and energy are directly proportional. Any doubt? Makle note cheyo. There is a very important line. Oscillation of electric field and magnetic field are what? Perpendicular to each other and also to the direction of propagation. Always remember, in electromagnetic wave propagation, oscillation of electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and also to the direction of propagation. I forgot to write that point. In EM wave propagation, electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and also to the direction of propagation. Perpendicular to each other and also to the direction of propagation. Any doubt? തമ്മിൽ പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ആണ് ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡും മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡും എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് പ്രൊപ്പഗേഷനും പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ആണ്. മക്കളെ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? Done? Okay. All of you done? കഴിഞ്ഞോ? നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാം. കഴിഞ്ഞോ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് oscillating electric field of an EM wave, oscillating electric field of an EM wave, EY is equal to 30 sine 2 into 10 raised to 11t plus 300 pi x volt per meter. This is the equation for oscillating electric field. Now we have to find out equation for magnetic field. We have to find out velocity, we have to find out propagation constant k, lambda, all these things we have to find out. Now what is the given data? The given data is, according to the given data, given question, EY is equal to 30 sine 2 into 10 raised to 11t plus 300 pi x volt per meter. Now, from this data, I am understanding electric field is along y direction and variable after k 300 pi is what? X. Direction of propagation is along x direction. Direction of propagation is x. So that is also found out. Why I am doing? Because I know the standard format. Ey is equal to 30. What is the standard formula? E0 sine omega t plus kx volt per meter. Now I am doing the comparative study. Instead of 30, what we have? E0. Instead of omega t, omega, what we have? 2 into 10 raised to 11. Instead of k, what we have? 300 pi. So, E0 is equal to what? E0 is equal to 30 Newton per Coulomb. So, what will be B0? We know that C is equal to E0 by B0. So, B0 is equal to what? E0 by C. So, E0 is what? 30 divided by C is what? 3 into 10 to the power 8. So, 10 by 10 raised to 8. That is 10 raised to minus 7 T or 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla. That will be the magnetic field, amplitude of the magnetic field. And omega will be what? 2 into 10 raised to 11. Omega is what? 2 into 10 raised to 11. Then K is what? 300 pi. So, what is K? 2 pi by lambda is equal to 300 pi. So, pi gone. So, lambda is equal to 2 by 300. So, lambda equal to 1 by 150. That much meter. Any doubt? Omega unit will be what? Hertz. Omega unit is hertz. K is what? 300 pi. K unit is per meter. Any doubt? So, we found out omega, K and lambda. Now, I can find out velocity. What is velocity? Omega by K. What is omega? Omega is what? 2 into 10 raised to 11. Divided by K is what? 300 pi. So I am coming to know that this 2 by 300 is what? 1 by 150 into 3.14 into 10 raised to 11. So, one thing I know, this wave is not traveling through vacuum. Because if you do the calculation, 1 by 1 divided by 150 divided by 3.14. So, the answer I got is 0.0021 into 10 raised to 11. That is 2.1 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Now, with the speed, I am understanding that this speed is what? Less than 3 into 10 raised to 8. That means the given wave is not traveling through vacuum. If it was traveling through vacuum, my velocity should have been 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So, it is not traveling through vacuum. Now, what is the corresponding magnetic field equation? Let's do that. Magnetic field has to be along the z direction. Bz is equal to B0. Okay, so I am writing the standard equation. B0 sine omega t plus kx into t. Listen, earlier in the last class I have done kx minus omega t. Whether it is kx minus omega t, kx plus omega t, no problem, or omega t plus kx also, no problem. So, what is Bz? What is B0? B0 value I think we already got 10 raised to minus 7. Now, everything else is same. Sine, what is omega? 2 into 10 raised to 11 into t. What is k? 300 pi x into t. That t stands for Tesla. Last t stands for Tesla. It is not time period, it is Tesla. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഞാനിതിലെല്ലാം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടേ. Velocity, angular velocity, frequency, wavelength, propagation vector k. Everything I have found out. Done? Ah, yes, yes. See, electric field is along y direction. So what is the unit vector represents y direction? J cap. Now what is the direction of propagation? Direction of propagation is what? X. Direction of propagation is what? X. That means direction of propagation is along which direction? I cap. So what is the standard equation for propagation? Propagation should be what? E vector cross B vector. Here electric field is along what? Y direction, so it is J cap. And the magnetic field is along what is the direction of propagation? I cap. So J cap cross what is equal to I cap? K cap. That means magnetic field has to be what? Along the Z direction. Any doubt? ആകാശത്തിന് മനസ്സിലായോ? അതെങ്ങനെയാ ഞാൻ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചെന്ന്? ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡ് എക്സില്, അല്ല ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡ് വൈയില്. സോ ഐ ഹാവ് ടേക്കൺ ദ യൂണിറ്റ് വെക്ടർ J cap and the direction of propagation is along X, so I have taken I cap. So in order to get positive I cap, it has to be what? K cap, right? Any doubt? Doubt now? നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത എല്ലാവരും? ക്ലിയർ അല്ലേ മക്കളെ? പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ആണ് ഈ ടൈപ്പ് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് യു ക്യാൻ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ഫോർ ജെഇക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവും, നീറ്റിന് ഉണ്ടാവും, കീമിന് ഉണ്ടാവും, ബോർഡ് എക്സാം CBSEക്കും സ്റ്റേറ്റിനും ഉണ്ടാവും. സെയിം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വരണ റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ആണ്. 3 മാർക്കിനാണ് പ്രോബ്ലം ചോദിക്കുക. ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം ചില കൊല്ലം 3 മാർക്കിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ, വേറെ ഒരു തിയറി ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. എനി ഡൗട്ട്? കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോവാം. In an EM wave propagating along x direction, so wave is along x direction, magnetic field oscillates with a frequency of 3 into 10 raised to 10 hertz. 3 into 10 raised to 10 hertz. What is the frequency? 3 into 10 raised to 10 hertz. Has an amplitude of 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla. What is amplitude? 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla. Acting along y direction. Now we have to, I'm not writing, we have to find out all the things. The electromagnetic wave is traveling along the x direction. So direction of propagation, let me change the color. Direction of propagation. What is that? X direction. Manifold oscillates with the frequency. So nu is given 3 into 10 raised to 10. Nu equal to 3 into 10 raised to 10 hertz. So we can find out omega. Omega equal to what? 2 pi nu. So omega equal to 2 pi into 3 into 10 raised to 2 pi into 3 into 10 raised to 10 hertz. That is 6 pi into 10 raised to 10 hertz. That is angular frequency. So frequency is given, we found out angular frequency. Amplitude is given. What is amplitude of magnetic field? That is B0 is equal to what? 10 raised to minus 7. So what is C? C equal to E0 by B0. So even though I know the formula, every time writing the formula and putting it in a box. Why? Even though my answer is wrong, if my formula is correct, I will get half mark, 1 mark. So E0 equal to what? C into B0. So E0 equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 into what is B0? 10 raised to minus 7. That is E0 equal to 3 into 10 raised to 1. That is E0 equal to what? 30 Newton per Coulomb, which is a unit of electric field. B0 is Tesla. So I got E0. Then what I should do? What are the other data given? Because it has an amplitude and okay. Magnetic field is along y direction. So magnetic field is along y direction. So what is the equation for magnetic field? B0 sine omega. No, before that I don't know any idea about frequency. So yeah, frequency is given. I don't know any idea about wavelength. Okay. So since wavelength is not, see here wavelength is not given, but we should assume that it is traveling through what? Sir, unit എഴുതിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ മാർക്ക് കുറയ്ക്കുമോ? മാർക്ക് ഞാനാണെങ്കിൽ മാർക്ക് തരേയില്ല, കുറയ്ക്കില്ല തരുന്നില്ല യൂണിറ്റ് എഴുതിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, ഞാൻ അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ സപ്പോസ് we don't know what is the wavelength is. So we have to find out wavelength. So in order to find out wavelength, it is not given through which medium the given electromagnetic wave propagates. So we are assuming wave travels through vacuum. Wave travels through vacuum. C is equal to what? C is equal to C directly proportional to 1 by lambda. C is equal to what? Not C directly proportional to 1 by lambda. Nu directly, frequency directly proportional to 1 by lambda. Nu equal to what? C by lambda. Lambda is equal to what? C by nu. So what is the wavelength? 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by, instead of frequency is what? Frequency, not angular frequency. 3 into 10 raised to 10. So I got the wavelength. 3 gone. 10 raised to 8 into 10 raised to minus 10. That is 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So lambda is equal to what? 10 raised to minus 2 meter. That is the lambda. Any doubt? So what is K? K equal to 2 pi by lambda. So K equal to what? 2 pi divided by 10 raised to minus 2. So 2 pi into 10 raised to plus 2. That is 200 pi per meter. Per meter. K becomes unit is what? Per meter. Now what is electric field is along 10 raised to minus 7. So what is the magnetic along y direction? Magnetic field is along y direction and the electric field is along x direction. So By is equal to B0. What is the standard formula? Sin omega t plus kx. So By is equal to what is the formula? B0. What is B0 value? What is B0? We found out B0, right? 10 raised to minus 7. Sin what is omega t? Omega is what? What is omega? We found out 6 pi into 10 raised to 10 t plus what is k? 200 pi x, that's much Tesla. Get out. And what will be the electric field? This is By, so electric field has to be, magnetic field is along y direction, propagation along x direction, so electric field has to be what? Ez is equal to E0. What is E0? 30. Then rest is same. Sine 6 pi into 10 raised to 10 t plus 200 pi x Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Any doubt? മക്കളെ മനസ്സിലായോ? മക്കളെ ഡൗട്ട് മനസ്സിലായ? ഡൺ. നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? കഴിഞ്ഞ? അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Done? All of it done? Next question. What physical quantity is the same, it's a textbook question, is the same for X-rays of wavelength 10 raised to minus 10 meter, red light of wavelength 6800 angstrom and radio waves of wavelength 500 meter. which is going to be same for X-ray of wavelength 10 raised to minus 10 meter, red light of wavelength 6800 angstrom, and radius of wavelength 500 meter. What is the answer? Speed of light in vacuum. Speed of these waves in vacuum will be same, and its value will be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Any doubt? Yeah, any doubt? Done? Any doubt? Clear line? Another question. Again, textbook problem. A radio can tune. Tune means what? Selecting of frequency. Can tune to any station in the 7.5 megahertz to 12 megahertz band. To 12 megahertz band. Mega means 10 raised to 6. What is the corresponding wavelength band? What is the corresponding wavelength band? What is the corresponding wavelength band? Frequency band is given. We have to find out what? Wavelength band. See, what is first frequency? 7.5 megahertz. So, that is 7.5 into 10 raised to 6 hertz. So, nu is equal to what? Nu directly proportional to 1 by lambda. Nu is equal to what? C by lambda. Lambda equal to what? C by nu. So, lambda is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 5 into, 7.5 into 10 raised to 6. If you solve that, the wavelength is 40 meter. In the second case, nu2 is equal to what is the wavelength? 12 megahertz. That is 12 into 10 raised to 6 hertz. So, what is nu directly proportional to 1 by lambda? Nu is equal to what? C by lambda. Lambda is equal to what? C by nu. Lambda, that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 12 into 10 raised to 6. If you solve that, you will get the wavelength 25 meter. So, what is the wavelength band? Therefore, the wavelength band is from 40 meter to 25 meter. Any doubt? Any doubt? Doubt now? Note ചെയ്തോ? Any doubt? നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ എല്ലാവരും? വിസ്മയ നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാ? മാർക്ക് ചെയ്താ? കഴിഞ്ഞ ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാ? നോട്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, if conduction current is equal to 0.25 ampere, what will be displacement current? What will be displacement current? Can anybody say? Please type your answers. Conduction current is given. They are asking for displacement current. What will be your answer? Yeah, same. Because conduction current is equal to what? Displacement current. Conduction current is 0.25 means what? Displacement current is also 0.25 ampere. Any doubt? Done, right? Next question. Arrange following electromagnetic waves. Following electromagnetic waves in the descending order of frequency. Now the answer is, question is violet, red, gamma, ultraviolet, infrared, microwave, then X-ray, radio waves. So we have to arrange the given electromagnetic waves according to descending order of frequency. See, I told you there is a shortcut for that. What is that? GXU Vimar. What is this V? Visible light. Inside visible light, what we have? VGO. Gamma rays are having what? Highest frequency. Highest frequency. Radio waves are having what? Lowest frequency. So what is this order? This is what? Descending order of frequency. This order is what? This order is what? Descending. This order is what? Descending order of frequency. Descending order of frequency. That is order. Descending order of frequency. So, yeah, the question also tells you to write the descending order of frequency. Now, remember one point. Descending order of frequency means ascending order of wavelength, because both are same, because frequency and wavelength are inversely proportional. Descending order of frequency and ascending order of wavelength both are same. Descending order of frequency and ascending order of wavelength both are same. So what happens now? Let's see. Descending order of frequency, okay. Now this is the question. So what is the first one? Okay, I have to write in the descending order of frequency. So first of all, what is the highest frequency? Gamma. So the question tells me to write in descending order of frequency. So first gamma should be there. Is gamma in the question? Yeah. So gamma should be the number 1. Next, X-ray is there. Yeah, X-ray is there. So X-ray should be number 2. Then U stand for what? UV. Is UV there? Number 3. Then inside visible we have VIBGYOR. So what is V? Violet. Violet number 4. Then indigo is not there. Blue is there? No. Green is there? No. Yellow is there? No. Orange is there? No. Red is there. So red is 5. Then after visible is infrared is there? Yes. Infrared is 6. Then what? Microwave is there? Micro 7. Is there radio wave? That is also there, right? Yeah. Radio wave is what? 8. So what is order? What is the answer for the given question? First one is what? Gamma, then X-ray, then what? UV, then violet, then what? Red, then infrared, then microwaves, then radio waves. Any doubt? മക്കളെ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഇത് പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ചോദിക്കൂട്ടാ. ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഇത് ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ മക്കളെ? ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? ഇത് ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. എല്ലാ വട്ടവും പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട്. എസ്പെഷ്യലി സ്റ്റേറ്റ് CBSE ബോർഡ് എക്സാമുകൾക്ക് ചോദിക്കും. ഇടയ്ക്കൊക്കെ എൻട്രൻസിന് ചോദിക്കാറുള്ള ഒരു ടൈപ്പാണ്. നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടി തരാം. നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാ അടുത്തത് റൈറ്റ് ഫോളോയിങ് EM waves in the descending order of wavelength. Descending order of wavelength. So what should be the first one? Descending order of wavelength means what? Okay, I am supposed to give a question. Green, violet, orange. Before first I am giving infrared, then green, violet, orange, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma, then blue, then microwaves. Type your answers. Type your answers. I am writing that equation once again. GXU Wimmer. Now inside V what we have? VIBGYOR. Now what order you should use? Descending order of wavelength. That is ascending order of frequency. Ascending order of frequency means what? Gamma rays are having highest frequency. So highest frequency gamma should come last. So order should be bottom up. So radio wave should be the first one. Is radio wave is there? No. Microwave is there? Yes. So microwave, I am giving microwave rank 1. Then infrared is there? Yes, infrared is there? Yes. Infrared 2. Then after infrared, red is there? No, red is not there. Orange is there? Yes, so orange 3. Yellow not there. Green is there? Yes. Green 4. Then blue not there. Yeah, blue is there. Blue is 5. Then indigo is not there. Violet is 6th. Then UV. UV is there? Yes, 7. Then what? X-ray 8. Gamma 9. Gamma comes at the last. Because gamma is the highest frequency. That is lowest wavelength. Devika is written micro. No. Devika is wrong. Wrong, right? Yeah, no. Micro is there, no, right? Where is micro? Yeah, micro 1. Then infrared 2. Then what? Green should come, right? Yeah, green and infrared. After infrared, orange is there, 3. Then green. Yeah, I think almost of you correct answer, right? Any doubt? Kittiya? Ellarkum kittiya? Ellarum type cheytha correct answer kittiya? Okay, I will write in the correct order so that it will be helpful for you. Micro. Then second one is what? Infrared. Third one is orange. And the fourth one is green. Then fifth one, blue. Then sixth one, violet. Seventh one, UV. Eighth one, X-ray. Ninth one, gamma. Kitty, ellarkum? Kitty. കഴിഞ്ഞോ കിട്ടിയാ അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ചാപ്റ്റർ ഇവിടെ കൺക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഈ ചാപ്റ്റർ മാത്രമല്ല നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വോള്യൂം കഴിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പം നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് ഓണമാണ്, മിക്കവാറും ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് മോസ്റ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലി യു വിൽ ഹാവ് ഹോളിഡേയ്സ്, ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്. ഒരു കാര്യം, ട്യൂസ്ഡേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്കൂൾ എക്സാം ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ ആ എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഷുവർ ഷോർട്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് സമ്മറി ഓഫ് ഈച്ച് ചാപ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് ഫസ്റ്റ് 2 ചാപ്റ്റേഴ്സിന്റെ ഓൾറെഡി അപ്ലോഡഡ് ആണ്. Most probably by tomorrow evening, second and third chapter will be available. Sorry, third and fourth chapter. So before going for Tuesday's exam, please go through this sure short questions video or summary of chapters, first 4 chapters. Not only that, please recommend these videos to others, your friends also. മാഷാണ് ഫിസിക്സിന്റെ വീഡിയോ ഇടണേ, ആ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഇടുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് വരുള്ളൂ. അത് നിങ്ങൾ ഉറപ്പിച്ചോളൂ, അതേ വരുള്ളൂ. അത്ര ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് പറയണത്. അത് മാത്രമല്ല, വളരെ ഷോർട്ട് സമ്മറിയാണ്. എൻട്രൻസ് കുട്ടികൾക്കാണെങ്കിലും അത് വളരെ ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആണ്. വളരെ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് ഒരു 1 hour ഒരു ചാപ്റ്റർ വെറുതെ കേട്ടാൽ മതി. 1 hour ആ ചാപ്റ്റർ കഴിയും. അതിന്റെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് പോയിന്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ അവർ ഡെറിവേഷൻസ് പറയുന്നില്ല. ഡെറിവേഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ വീഡിയോയിൽ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ് ചാപ്റ്റർ വൈസ് വീഡിയോയിലുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും അത് കേൾക്കണം എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂട്ടുകാരുടെ അടുത്തും പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. വളരെ നല്ല വീഡിയോസ് ആണ്. അത് 2 ചാപ്റ്റർ ഓൾറെഡി അപ്ലോഡഡ് ആയിട്ട് നാളെ 3rd 4th ചാപ്റ്റർ അപ്ലോഡഡ് ആവും. എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, ലാസ്റ്റ് ഓരോ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുകളും പറയും. ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തന്നെ ചോദിക്കുള്ളൂ. അത്രയും എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഉള്ള ടീച്ചേഴ്സാണ് ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ തയ്യാറാക്കണേ. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും അതൊക്കെ തന്നെ ചോദിക്കുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു, ഗുഡ് നൈറ്റ്. എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഐശ്വര്യത്തിന്റെയും സമ്പൽ സമൃദ്ധിയുടെയും ഓണം ആശംസകൾ. താങ്ക് യു.